Alright, here's a quick rundown of my new Husqvarna 450 Rancher chainsaw. This shows the case and the way the chain guard works with the Husqvarna case. Inside here I've got some oil, got an extra chain, and some things. Information about the saw. It's cold. It's a Husqvarna 450, the X torque. So, one of the newer ones. Today's date is November 1st, 2006. Anyway, to start this, super cold, pump this 2 or 3 times. You make sure your chain brake is enabled. Pull this up to the choke setting. Here's the compression release, which I generally forget about. You're supposed to press that down. To check the gas or the gas level, it's right here on the back. And to check the bar oil, you open this on the front. Both of those are full because I just started them up. So. And once it starts a little high. You have to pop the throttle and get it to slow down. And it was recommended to me that you let it idle like that and warm up for a few minutes